are you?
Pocahontas?
Oh. Where did you come from?
I don't know.
What tribe?
100 miles away.
Where are all your Indian friends? Tell me about your vest. What's all over your vest?
My vest?
Yeah, those mountains?
It's fake.
Oh, I thought it was real.
Okay, Mommy, look. Here's a buffalo.
Uh-huh.
And a deer.
Oh, pretty deer.
And a fish.
Oh, wow. What's a fish doing there?
And their villages.
Teepees.
And teepees. And a cloud and another cloud and the sun. And a tree and a mountain and a mountain and a mountain and a mountain and a tree. And a tree and a tree and a mountain 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 and a tree and a tree and a rain and a horsey.
Wow, I can't believe you did it all by yourself.
Oh, look on the back and front.
Stater Brothers. Is that a tribe too?
This is a badge.
What you doing?
Oh, I saw Aubrey. Did you see me today at school? I went in the NPR. NPR? What? Yeah. Where you guys had your party.
So how's your classroom doing?
You mean Shane, you mean when I went to taste my stuff?
Yeah, I saw
Taste
you.
my Indian stuff?
Yeah,
You saw me?
Yeah.
I didn't see you.
Well, it's because I was way over there, but I saw Antoine.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you see me?
Yeah.
So tell me about your class.
They're doing good so far,
Mm-hmm.
but some are getting in trouble.
For what?
I'm not sure yet.
You better go find out.
School's closed.
Oh, you're off duty?
No. I gotta get out of class in 5 minutes and do this. Are you an Indian or what?
Yeah, Shane, here's my arrow. Here's the buffalo.
Is the buffalo killed? Aw.
Shane, we eat buffaloes.
I don't. That's not a buffalo.